Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Tesla key to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, access your Tesla app. Right over there you will find this kind of interface. All you gotta do is tap on this little car icon given on here. You can see on the list on top. Simply go ahead, tap on the car icon, which will be on the right side of your phone. As soon as I've done that, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now you can see phone key, enable passive entry and remote control setup. That's where you will be able to add your Tesla key to your Apple Wallet, essentially in your phone, for you to simply access it. Tap on it. Now once you have done that, once you have added your key, once you've tapped on that, you will be to the process to add it to your Apple Wallet. Tap on that, confirm it, scan your card, add in the information, and then when you go closer to your Tesla, once you have put your phone closer to it, it will simply unlock it and it will simply access the card to your mobile phone. Once the process has been done, once you have checked it out, tested it out, your card will be likewise on your Apple Wallet listed over there and you can use it. It's an easy method, but when you're purchasing Tesla itself, you can also ask them at the customer service as well for you to further let you know if you still can't figure it out. Otherwise, this is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.